Okay guys, so today we're going to try overnight oats. We're going to I'm going to use milk. Ideally I should use, well, depends on you though. I don't mind evaporated milk. Peanut butter. This is crunchy, so probably I should use the creamy one. I'm going to be using flaxseed. So we're supposed to make peanut butter oats, but we're going to make it peanut butter and flaxseed oats. Stay tuned. The serving size for our oats is half cup, as you can see, and of course there's 7-1, 7-2 and 7-6, so we're going to use the half cup 7 today. Okay, so this is half cup. If you look at it carefully, ideally my 7 is actually 1/3 cup of oats, but the manufacturer should know best. So our oats is in. Now our peanut butter 7 is 2 tablespoons, but I am going to be using 1 tablespoon because I think my 7 is 2 teaspoons. So this is our peanut butter. You probably say it's not exactly 1 tablespoon and blah blah, but sorry about that. But yeah, so guys, this is our flaxseed, and the last thing we're going to put in is our milk, and we're going to put in a glass of milk. Now we're going to leave this overnight. We're going to come back and see what happens to it. So stay tuned with me for the results. Hi guys, so this is how our oats turned out. I actually thought it was going to be more swollen than this or something, but see, so you could actually put it overnight and put it in the fridge and nothing will happen to it. It will be just fine and ready to eat. Yep. So this is our flaxseed peanut butter oats. So guys, I added some more water to it and then I'm gonna eat it now. And I already tasted it. It tastes delicious. You should try it.